Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, if you have a Chevy Cruze, Chevy Sonic, guys, we will show you how to test your starter. Since both of the vehicles share the same engine, guys, it's the same starter, and we will show you what needs to be done to test it. We guys have a video how to replace it as well, and in addition, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. So what do we guys need? Let me explain you quick. Okay, this is the starter right here. Also we need, guys, 12-volt battery. Okay, 12-volt battery right there. Jumper cables, that's the only thing. This is extremely powerful starter, so you have to keep your fingers out of the moving parts, the gears. When you supply power to it, it's going to kick. Okay, it has pretty powerful torque, so be careful because that thing can cut your fingers. Also, it can cause other injuries, guys, so be very careful, and I wouldn't recommend to do it. Consider this entertaining video, guys, to see how we do it, but I wouldn't recommend doing it that way. Just take it to the professionals if you don't know how to. Now, the starter, guys, right here. Okay, you have usually, okay, 3 wires on it. This is a positive wire for the motor. Okay, you can see it goes directly in the motor. This is the ignition wire, usually the little one that tells the starter, okay, it's time to activate. And this is the 12-volt supply wire. And when the solenoid and the supply wire are connected, guys, okay, what will happen actually? Okay, it's going to communicate and tell the starter, okay, to kick in. Now we can test the motor, we can test the solenoid, and we can test the whole starter. 3 different things. So stay with us and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now we are going to apply a negative 12-volt, okay, jumper wire right here. Next, guys, okay, let me show you what next we need to do. Okay, I'm going to touch the motor wire, the one on the bottom, with a positive, and check out what's going to happen. The motor will start spinning, but be very careful again, guys. Okay, this is a good motor for sure. One more time. Perfect. Now, how we test the solenoid, guys? The solenoid is what kicks the starter gear out so the flywheel engages and starts spinning. Usually it's the 12-volt supply wire, the one from the ignition of the vehicle. So if I touch it with the positive wire, again, positive jumper cable, check out how it's going to kick out now. Okay, this is a good solenoid right here. Now, how you guys test the whole composition? Now, we're going to apply, okay, let me step on it, 12-volt wire, 12-volt power to that 12-volt wire here. Okay, this is the main supply wire, and now if we connect, guys, that 12-volt with the ignition wire, it's going to activate the whole starter. So check out now, I'm going to use the screwdriver just to touch both of them to activate it, and you see the solenoid kicking out and the starter spinning at the same time. So definitely, guys, it's a good working starter. You can see just like that. So that starter for sure is good, guys, on Chevy Sonic, Chevy Cruze. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.